Hello world, welcome to my channel. It's a girl of Cycling Crochet. Guys, today's tutorial is very easy to make. You just need the measurement from one of your shoulders to the end of the other shoulder. Okay, so when you measure it, you chain according to, and when you chain according to, you multiply it by 2. So I measured my left shoulder to the right shoulders, and I had 60 chains, so I multiply it by 2 to get 120 chains. Okay, so it's just a double of the length of your shoulders. Okay, and I'm going to use a 4.0 mm hook against a yarn which is 2.5 mm. Okay, so it's very thin, but I'm using a 4.0 because I want my work to be very loose. So you make your chain. Okay, so I'm making 120 chains, and after that I'm going to make a triple crochet. So I'm using triple crochets in throughout this work. It's very easy, the easiest top you can ever get for this summer. After your chains, you make a triple crochet. So you yarn over twice, then into the first stitch hole you put through 2, then you put through the next 2, then you also put through the last 2. Okay, that's triple crochet. You yarn over twice, then in the next stitch hole you put through the first 2, the next 2, and the last 2. Okay, so you're going to do this throughout till we get to the end. Then we chain 1, turn our work, and do the same thing throughout the work. Guys, at the end, this is what I have now. Chain 1 and make a triple crochet again. Okay, so I'm making the second row, and in all I made 15 rows. Now the next step is to just make a chain at the edges, the 4 corners. Okay, so with this corner I'm going to make a chain of 20, and I'm going to make a chain of 60 rather, and I'll make the same thing for the other corners of this work, and you'll be done with it. And guys, at the end, this is what we have. This is very simple to make. So guys, now it's time for us to style our work. We have all the corners with chains of 60. Now it's time to style our work. So the first style, you tie the up the top part, this two, on your neck, and the down part goes on your waist, or maybe above your waist, and this is what you'll be getting for that. Now the second, let's think that this is the back of it. Okay, now you can style it in different ways, anyhow you want it. Okay, the next one, this is how you do it. You rather bring the tie in front, and the other one goes to the back like this, and this is what we have. Guess what, guys? I have a new channel called C Clean Crafts. Okay, so this channel is for crafts in general, handmade things. So if you're someone who love crafts, okay, in general, you would definitely love this new channel. So show me love by subscribing to the new channel. Okay, so guys, you can also style it this way. Yep, let's move on to the next style. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.